Hello everyone, today I'm just going to be looking at the Converse One Star. I've got it in the front sticker. In the deep Bordeaux colourway, which is just French for burgundy. I don't know why didn't call them just deep burgundy. I just they're being fancy. I mean, the box is absolutely destroyed. It's quite a cool box. It's got kind of pictures of the kind of older Converse on them, which is what the One Star is alluding back to. If we look at these here, they're in a really nice burgundy in a deep hairy suede. I'm not sure if you can kind of see it on camera, but let's see here. So yeah, it does move, kind of change colour slightly when you play with them, play with the suede. But do you fancy it? Have a shiny, like glossy outsole. So basically, it's the same sole as the Converse 70s, if you've seen those. So it will be much like these are definitely better quality than your average pair of Converse, than your normal pair. Better quality rubber on these. It does feature an Osnaburg. You can't really see it on camera, unfortunately, but it does feature string in the sole, which is an Osnaburg rubber, which has like basically reinforced rubber, so it lasts much longer when you're dragging your feet against the ground. These are a bit skinnier than your average pair of shoes, so this is half the size down. You can wear your normal size, but they might just be a tad big. You might need to lighten them up a little bit tightly. I got these dirt cheap, which is why the box is absolutely destroyed. They're just a really simple, clean pair of shoes.